Good luck, everybody. Number 2. Deal has been canceled. Oh, you were going to swap out dealers, so you didn't sell. Negative on sale. Okay. Gotcha. So Canzoneri has Chargers still. Got it. Back there. Vikings fan 77, you have the Colts. That's what you got. That's what you missed. Unless you missed, if you missed the team draw, that's what you missed. You have Colts. Good luck. First case we did today had 2 101s. Actually, we posted 2 total cases of both 3 101s. Let's get another one or 2. What do you say, guys? I don't think there'll be any objections. Does anybody object to some more 101s? Good luck, good luck, good luck. That is... Okay, stuff's backwards and stuff in this one. We'll have to navigate through it. Ben Jarvis for the Bengals. Bob Greasy, Dolphins. Matt Khalil, Silver Spotlight Phenom for the Vikings. Can't get the focus on him, sorry. That's numbered to 49 rookie. And an Aaron Rodgers base. First hit, Stephen Hill, numbered out of 49. I think we got this exact card in the last case. Oh, the other one had his number in it. But a jumbo patch for the Jets. Steven. LJ Fan has the Jets. We got this guy, Russell Wilson. I don't know what card that is. I don't even know what it is. 42 out of 49. Little piece of his shoe. Russell Wilson's shoe. Selling Ravens. That is late. You can still sell them to the guy if you want, you know. If you guys make a deal, you're going to buy all his Ravens cards or whatever. Just let me know, I guess. And a Vincent Jackson for the Bucs. Vincent Jackson for the Bucs is numbered 1 out of 25. Veteran auto, first pack. Okay. Bryce 808 bought the Ravens. Good luck. This way again. Laurent Robinson for the Jags. We got a gold spotlight of Megatron for the Lions. Calvin Johnson, a gold. 12 out of 25. Another spotlight. Didn't I get a spotlight? Yeah, Khalil. Sorry. Chris Collinsworth, legend for the Bengals. Tim Benford for the Cowboys, rookie. Got a Brian Quick jumbo jersey. First hit for the Rams. Numbered to 99. Anquan Bolden, blast from the past. Cardinals. I guess the blast from the past is showing you their old relic, or their old team. 15 out of 25. And we got a pigskin auto, Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos. Broncos. Pigskin Hog Heaven, they call it. Hog Heaven.
Raiders killing it already?
4 out of 10. This is the first or second box right there. No Raiders yet. Not yet.
Finger, man.
I know. Did you already order food?
No, that's what I was saying. You just want to order the big dinner box? You got
Let's
the
look under the wing.
Yeah. You get the wing.
Let's do it, man. Do it. Get that big dinner box. Box 3. Matt Flynn, Seahawks. Janoris Jenkins, Rams. Bobby Rainey, Ravens. Jordy Nelson, Packers. Got a Dez Bryant jumbo jersey for the Cowboys. It's nice, numbered out of 25 for the Boys. Chandler Jones autograph rookie for the Patriots. And a redemption for Robert Turbin, silver spotlight for the Seahawks. Robert Turbin, Material Phenom silver spotlight is our first RPA redemption. Off the break. See you, chicken.
Breadsticks or cheese sticks?
Bread, man. We got enough cheese already on the pizza, don't we? What do you want?
I don't know.
Breadsticks, regular breadsticks, good, I guess. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Tommy Streeter, Ravens rookie. Jerry Rice, Legend, Niners. And Rob Gronkowski, number 225, probably a gold. There you go. I don't care.
Hot with ranch. Correct.
Yeah, Rob Gronkowski, gold. Patriots. We got a Joe Adams jumbo for the Panthers. Joe Adams jumbo. Whoops. Cyrus Gray for the Chiefs. Autograph Phenom. Chiefs are out now. That is a random. We're traded out. And you got the patches. Robert Turbin. Pretty nice looking patch. Right in the middle of a letter or something. I don't know what that is. Pretty cool. Looking, nice looking card. Turbin. A couple of Turbin cards already for the Seahawks.
Cash. This
This one is numbered to 25. Yeah, 16 out of 25. Good looking watch.
ordering food too.
This one's got 2 redemptions in it. No, it's not. Last one's not a redemption. Fudge, I thought it was back-to-back redemptions. I'm sucky. Carlos Dansby.
$25.
Luke Kuechly. Bernie Kosar. We got a gold Boyd Dowler for the Packers. That'll be a random. Boyd. 20 out of 25 random gold. Then we got Andrew Luck. Jumbo patch. Sick. For the Colts. It's nice. Vikings fan 77. Nice jumbo putch. That is number 1. eBay 101. 1 out of 49 on the Luck. What the suck? Material Phenoms rookie card, Kendall Wright for the Titans. Kendall Wright, RPA. Titans. Last card goes like this. CJ Spiller, Limitless. Limitless Threads for the Bills. CJ Spiller. It's a one color patch. It's got some wear on it. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera very well. 16 out of 20. Numbered out of 20. White patch with some wear. Wear and tear. Game used, you know. CJ, the Bills. Epic Breaks got the Bills in this round. It's going to be on eBay. Andrew Luck is going to be on eBay soon. Tomorrow, yeah. He's selling
it off eBay for $600 right now.
$600 off of eBay.
Right now.
Yeah. Jake Locker for the Titans. Courtney Upshaw for the Ravens. Joe Namath on the Rams. And Donnie Avery for the Colts. Limited threads. Darren McFadden for the Raiders.
Sick.
He's on the
In
board.
your face.
Boom. Numbered to
Redskins.
99. Numbered out of 99.
Come on, trade me.
For the Eagles, Marvin McNutt. Phenom Auto, Marvin McNutt. And we got another redemption. Material Phenom Rookie Auto, Devere Posey for the Houston Texans. Devere Posey. Ooh. Victor Cruz, Giants. Oh, maybe. Let's go. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Don Maynard for the Jets. Don't on focus. Piece of junk. Ndamukong Suh. See the guy coming next. Whoop. Ndamukong Suh, Silver Spotlight for the Lions. Your first hits, TJ Graham. Piece of a shoe for the Bills. Black and white shoe.
Jeremy Friend.
Darrelle Revis, jersey for the Jets. Shoes number to 49. Revis Islands number to 95. And we've got membership. Jarius Wright for the Vikings. Membership auto. Number to 99. 26 out of 99. Officially a member of the Vikings. Jarius Wright. Thin pack. Pretty thin pack, yeah. And it's got another redemption. Good luck. Michael Turner for the Falcons. It'll be a random. Brandon Marshall, Bears. Alan Page, Vikes. Jerron Kreiner, Spotlight Phenom for the Raiders.
Woo!
Wow.
Your faces.
Look at that. Incredible. For the Ravens, Courtney Upshaw, Phenom Autograph. Courtney Upshaw for the Ravens. Price 808. Number to 299. What we got here? Steve Smith, Jumbo for the Panthers. Steve Smith, Jumbo jersey. Got two Jumbo jerseys. Panthers so far. And one more redemption. Monikers Gold. James Hanna, Banana, Montana. For the Cowboys. Monikers Gold. Rookie auto. Wow. Redemption City. Got 5 redemptions so far. 5 redemptions so far. Andrew Luck's number to 199. So told. Regular base Phenom Auto. Oops. Oops. Here we go. Aaron Hernandez. They got 1 rookie auto the Eagles did so far. Yep. Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs. Spotlight. There'll be a random. 48 out of 49. Bernie Kosar for the Browns. Legend. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. We got RG3 Jumbo jersey for the Redskins. Get the focus, sorry. Come on, camera. Seriously. Like, there. My gosh. What are you focusing on? Cards. Right here. That's number to 99. We got Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants. Limited Threads, number to 99, and an Ozzie Newsome inscribed Hall of Fame 99 for the Browns. Legend Auto. That is numbered 5 out of 10 on the Ozzie Newsome. 5 out of 10. Alright. Whoa. rthite. Happy birthday to Hammy too. Wow. Him and Norland both. Couple of jerks. Actually, a couple of nice guys. Sometimes. This is Vernon Davis, 49ers. Carson Palmer for the Raiders, base. Wow.
Woo!
Chuck Foreman, Vikings. And a Bruce Smith for the Bills. Spotlight, Silver Spotlight Legend. Numbered out of 49, got a Bronco. Ronnie Hillman. Damn, Ronnie Hillman all over everything. I want Ronnie Hillman a lot for the Broncos. In just a couple of cases. That's sick. Big old Butch. Looks like the some lettering. Jumbo patch. Ronnie Hillman. This is Andrew Luck on this card. It's a piece of his shoe. Piece of shoe. Andrew Luck blue chip shoes for the Colts. Numbered out of 49. And Dallas Clark for the Bucs. Dallas Clark autograph. D. Clark, so that was kind of crazy looking. Dallas Clark is numbered to 10. 6 out of 10. SP. Newsome and Dallas Clark back to back, number to 10. There's James Hanna. Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs. It's a random. James Hanna. Spotlight, Phenom, number to 49. Rookie for the Cowboys. Travis Benjamin. And Adrian Peterson is backwards. Sorry. Here's your first hit. Michael Floyd for the Cardinals. Moving around a lot, sorry. Jumbo Relic. Jumbo Relic. Jeff Demps, that's a Patriot. Got him before. Jeff Demps, Phenom autograph, Patriots. Jumbo. I think it's the Bernard Pierce logo shield. Oh, wait. Bernard Pierce, Jumbo Jersey Auto for the Ravens.
He said, oh, wait. Oh, jerk.
Jumbo Jersey. Bernard Pierce, pretty nice. Ravens. Numbered out of 49.
He said, oh, wait. That's wrong.
That's not nice. So we already pulled that one. Ha ha ha. Bryce. Got a couple hits now for the Ravens. I don't think Bryce saw the card, the other one. That's why. That's why he's getting me all excited. Sorry. Here's the front. The front and the back. I need to know which card's the front card, which card's the back card. It's hard to tell. And Kong. Donkey Kong Sue. Lions. We got a Matthew Stafford, also Lions. Silver Spotlight, number to 49. Dick Butkus, Bears. Miles Austin, Cowboys. Michael Egnew for the Dolphins. Blue chip jersey. Wow, Michael Egnew. Sick. Got a jumbo jersey of Jason Witten for the Cowboys. That's nice. That is number 225. 12 out of 25 on the Witten. Short print. And rookie. Rookie. Ooh, what's that autograph? Looks familiar. Who's that guy? We got a jumbo jumbo jersey, Andrew Luck. Pretty nice. I don't even know if you can make out the 12 on there. Did he get it in? He barely got the 12. Kinda. Number something.
Rigged. See? That's what I want the Colts. The Redskins.
Wow, rigged. Colts. Yay, go Colts. Congratulations. Vikings fan 77 there. I guess he's happy.
Yes. You're right.
That one is numbered 46 out of 49. Boom.
Still a jerk for not trading for me. But congrats.
The dice roll. It's the dice. Sorry. We got you all the other Colts last time. We got every Colt but Luck.
Yeah.
Damn it. Sorry, man. Alright, Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Frank Gore, Silver Spotlight for the 49ers. Number to 49. Charlie Joyner, Chargers. Randy Moss, 49ers. And we've got Game Day. Tony Romo, Cowboys at Eagles. What is this, specific game jersey? October 30th, 2011, Lincoln Financial Field. Tony Romo, Game Day. For the Cowboys, that one's numbered to 49. 13 out of 49. 13 out of 49. Then we got Chiefs. Cyrus Gray, second Cyrus Gray auto of the break. For hitless teams.
Come on, Bo Jackson.
Rookie jumbo jersey numbers signatures.
That's not Bo Jackson.
Brock Osweiler for the Broncos. It'll look like the Bernard Pierce card. Like these. But I have a number 7 instead of a number 30. You know what I mean? Nice.
Number 7.
Oh no, what number did he wear?
6.
6. There you go, sorry.
The 7's been retired.
That's John Elway, 7. Yeah, wrong guy. I was thinking 7 because it's card number 7. Sorry. On the checklist. Here we go. Last 2 boxes. Steelers and Saints cards for cokedlr. How about it?
Beamer, almost 2 pounds.
Ndamukong Suh, Lions. Dre Kirkpatrick. Barry Sanders. Phillip Rivers. Doug Flutie, Limited Threads jersey card for the Bills. Flutie Flakes. Oh, that looks like it might be Saint colors or Ram colors. I don't know. Who is it? Rams? Rams. Close. It's Rams, though. Rams colors. Chris Givens. Jumbo. Putch. Rams on the board. Not if the Rams have hit anything this whole break. Maybe one. They're hurting, too. Scott Pete. That's numbered to 25. 6 out of 25. And then we've got this. Look. Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals. Auto Putch. Auto Putch, Mohamed Sanu on Carter. And he is numbered to 299 on Sanu. What the... What? Last box of limited. Until we get it again. Good luck. Until you join another break. Buy a box yourself. Good, 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 good luck.
Damn.
3 fat cards. Any redemptions? No, that doesn't look like a redemption to me. Here we go. Good luck. Steven Jackson for the Rams. Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. Jack Lambert for the Steelers. Can't get the damn thing to focus. There we go. And Mark Sanchez for the Jets. First up, we've got Hakeem Nicks, 2-color patch for the Giants. Limited threads. 46 out of 49. Another rookie. Robert Turbin. The 3rd Robert Turbin auto of the case for the Seahawks. And Maxi Boy. Turbans everywhere. There's turbans everywhere. Finish with your own racist joke. 44 out of 49. And that goes this way. For the Dolphins, Lamar Miller. Auto Putsch. For the Dolphins. 4-color auto patch. Lamar Miller. I haven't heard too much about Lamar Miller this season. That one's numbered to 49. So that's one of the spotlights. Numbered out of 49. Silver spotlight. Yeah. It's a spotlight right below a signature. I didn't notice that until right now. There you go. Played back up to Reggie. Well, that's why he didn't do much then, huh? That's it for our second case of limited. Andrew Luck came out of that one, as well as a couple other dudes. No RG3 still, sorry. Luck patch, Luck auto. Decent patches stuff. Alright. Done. 2 Cyrus Grays.